Hey guys, it's Dalase here from the 2 Hour Circle, and have I got a treat for you today. Have a look behind me. All of these motorcycles are either one of a kind or each of them have a story. We are at the Panorama Motorcycle Museum at Roadvale. I have been wanting to come here for such a long time, and I really hope that you enjoy the video and it encourage you to come and see what is on offer at this wonderful destination. So you've heard of the world's fastest Indian. How about the world's fastest trike? The motorcycle's owned by a guy named Steve Laffey, who was actually born in Boonah, and the motorcycle is on permanent display here at the museum. So make sure while you're here at the museum that you ask Rod about the 1952 Dalase, once used by the police, I think in London if my memory serves. There's this beautiful old Model T Ford and it still runs. What a gorgeous piece of machinery. This wonderful gentleman here was a good friend of Steve Laffey's and frequently appeared in commercials for brand new Indian motorcycles. Another interesting fact about this particular gentleman was that a lot of the scenes from the movie Dances with Wolves were filmed on his property. How cool is that? This is probably the most treasured piece in the entire museum. It is a 1914 Indian. And the wonderful thing about this particular motorcycle is that it was put together here by the people who own the museum. They've lovingly restored and cared for this wonderful piece of machinery so that you can come and see it. Here in the museum, it's quite likely that you will find bikes that have an actual war service history. So if they've come out of the factory marked with an A, it's quite likely they were for the armed services. So just in case you thought barn finds were a little bit of a myth, this particular bike, it's a 1949 Norton Dominator, and it was found in a shed in Boonah. The thing that strikes me the most is perhaps the seat for the pillion passenger. Nice and comfy, yeah? Hello, operator. I'd like to make a call, please. Yep, that's how we used to make telephone calls. Tennis, anyone? How's this for nostalgia? Look at all these wonderful old radios here at the Motorcycle Museum. Just going to pump out some tunes. So there is so much more to this museum than meets the eye. I've had a wonderful time and I'm really looking forward to sharing this with you, but don't just rely on the video. Come and see this place for yourself. We're now going to nip off to Boonah for a bite to eat, and we look forward to seeing you somewhere out in what we like to call the 2 Hour Circle. We're going to check out these old whippets. See you again soon, guys. Bye for now. How cool is this? So beautiful.